Somebody asked me earlier on, I want to give me idiot. Not a song. The way I'm excited over the Queen in that day. That song the nice still in it come like double top. Every girl and woman I go sing it because every woman a queen in them own rights. Whoa, I get Sikaram, good morning. Morning, Sikaram. Oh God. I'm not like the idiot fit me doing. Spangy don't mind you, boss. I get a cool best friend that. Spangy, are you that? Spangy, you know message me. Morning, darling.
How would I?
You know, I said you just wakey. Some girl can't wake up and go up on Canada camera with them face no makeup, you know. Your face look good in the early morning. Morning, where you calling from?
Good morning, Queenie. You don't know who this is. Are you a farmer?
Tonian?
Yes, it's Tonian.
Me, Tonian, are you Popcaan sing a song for?
No. No, I'm not.
I think you are running for that. Tonian, what? Oh my God, welcome, Miss Jamaica. How are you, girl?
I am good, darling. How are you?
Girl, my proud.
I know. I saw it go, man. I saw it go. Busy, you alright?
My good, yeah, roots girl. Me like how you come on the live with your pull up ear like I'm myself because you know there's so much fake in the world that if they see you attack and little spit you not drop out of your mouth, then discriminate you. If they see little matter, then discriminate you. If they see little bugo, some don't understand if I So what I'm Tony and
I am here. I'm here. Everybody playing live, you know, whenever I get chance to. I jump on, and you know, I give my love and my support from afar because my sister, the whole of your fans, them ever tune in.
yeah.
But if I prepare my speech because I have a big presentation I come up, but you know, so me zoom in on my phone, so I say, may I jump on for say hello, and I'm out. You know?
God.
All right.
You know, I always think, but Tony and me not say, you know, message me.
The message your man, but
Guess what
you
happened?
respond on your message, you respond on one of my number them, but not on the next one, you know?
Guess what happened? Me didn't have man problem for the last couple of weeks. So it's true though. So Carrie, I will just say, me want say something to you. Okay, yeah, when Tony and finish, yeah, Tony and yeah. So sorry. So to me didn't I look at something that may have may have 1,600 WhatsApp message, you know. So your message sink gone down in at the bottom, down. Yeah, but it's alright. Message me now and it will come on top, okay?
Okay.
Alright, baby girl. Bless up yourself. So tell them about your next, what you say you have next. Talk about your thing and promote yourself. Let them hear what go on.
Hi everyone. Hello. Queen Wave. My name is Toni and Layla, former Miss Jamaica, Miss United Nations World now. And
well done, girl. You make Jamaica proud, little girl. I'm proud of you, Tony.
oh God, it's true, Queenie. All of your voice note, I can't forget after one you send me. I can't even find my another phone. Wait, I have it right to say now. I have your voice note in them. I should have.
Me just send your voice note.
Yes, man. You say, boy, Tony, I'm proud of you. You make Jamaica proud. You're not farmer girl, and you keep it real. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm proud of you. You know, I love say you're a farmer. You go enter for the Miss World or whatever you enter. How will you enter for again? Sikaram, good morning.
It was yes.
Good morning.
Chance World.
Big up yourself. So what's the next 1 minute, Sikaram? So what's the next steps for you now?
So now having one, I pretty much I don't only represent Jamaica, I represent on the world stage. And you know, my platform is farming, agriculture, nutrition, health, and wellness. And I have a long travel ahead of me. I'm in the US now. And I am leaving to Dubai in 2 weeks. Big UN conference. And I'm looking forward to it. Then after that, I have travels in India, Turkey, Indonesia. And just bringing the Jamaican people and vibe and authenticity with me. right across the globe. You know, Queen Wave right through, blessings,
Girl
and I
power,
love
well done. I'm so proud of you, Tony. And I see the fact that I meet you at Jamaica, you carry me and give me the whole for farming. Me say, what a girl in the easy, you know, farmer, respect. But we will speak on the WhatsApp, okay?
We will. I love you and take care and all the best.
And thank you and keep up the good work and still and continue represent for Jamaica because you don't know a girl power. Blessed love, okay?
Love you.
But I love you too, Tony. And
Bye.
okay,
Take care.
I name that. You see, me just press button. What, mama boss?
Good morning, Queenie.
Wakey,
Like
rise and shine.
me subscribe to your YouTube.
Did you?
Yeah, me hear about your new song. Me like it.
Yeah, me like it too. I mean, first like it. I'm so
Like
excited.
your new song. I'm
yeah,
here
the
say
new
have
song
a video.
feel bright.
Yeah, me here say.
Go on.
Yeah, me here say. Yeah, you do a video too. I like the video too.
Hey, let me tell you something. You say you want to see it for real, so I'm glad you subscribe. I hope you'll be the first to watch it when it comes out. Is it 4 o'clock? I think it's 4 o'clock UK time.
Me remember you sent me a voice note yesterday. You said the early bird get the
Catch the most worm.
Catch your most worm. So you see like oh hold on, let me get up. I'm gonna get.
Hey, my love send voice note. But can't bother with the typing, brethren. Make it easier. Sick a wagwan, early bird, catch a mouse worm. Wakey, rise and shine. It's a beautiful morning.
They said the early bird do what?
Yeah. Early bird them have to catch the video first. When the video drop, if you're not subscribed, you're gonna miss out. So you see, as it drop 4 o'clock Friday and 10 Jamaica time, on the work out the USA time and the Canada time. And me just want them just sit down and watch it all day.
Alright, it's like how you have the early supporters, them are gonna catch you first worm.
Yes, I'm a royal crazy, them loyal, and so I know them are gonna subscribe, them are gonna sit down so with them up move.
I'll give them a look preview because them are the early worm now. Them are the early worm now.
Yeah, get the early bird, catch the most worm, yeah. Come on, royal crazies, listen.
Watch it, you ready? Hold on.
Yeah.
Start it.
Yeah. Run it. Up move. Start. Ready, steady, go. Now, like, oh my God, Sika.
Voila,
The cat. This need a run tonight.
Never forgot Friday, don't it?
Run round the black Queenie.
Oh God.
Sika, I'm doing my proud of me. The way I'm proud of this song.
Oh God.
Me have to run out of the screen there. Done well, we done well. When you see where I go on early bird catch the most worm. You hear that?
The Raymond there, him edit the video. You know, the guy in a while ago.
Me not see him. Good morning, Ray-Ban. Ray-Ban, me get a wally for work with the video.
The guy will comment up.
Bless up the editor. And big up Shy. The director.
You me say Queenie?
No, I didn't.
Queenie.
What did? Yeah, I didn't hear you.
The connection board. Yeah, the guy will comment near here, but I edit the video. What
Me not hear what you say.
I give him whole heap of work.
Oh, the editor.
I say you give him
Yeah,
whole
you
heap
did say
of
tell
work,
him.
man. Whole heap of work.
Wow, the video not man do good though. Man, the queen. Wow, hey, you know what? You know what excites me more than anything, stick around. Crazy. Me and the queen in the deck. Sika, watch him something that work properly, him connection. The Wi-Fi play up. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. And that's Sika Rhyme, wicked producer. Proper. Yeah, man. We done well. We can't wait. Let us go and go subscribe. Only yes, make him come back for my money. I him forget my money. Are you the one get it? You never married to me. Ha ha ha. You're not gonna get my money. I'll give it all to my husband. Ha. You gonna drop down and say, oh, me should have married to Queenie. Yeah, make my husband get all of my money. Yeah. May I pay him for him name when him give me Mistress Scarlett. So actually, Royal Crazies, this Friday, the 19th of August, 2022, Queen Lady Gangster is gonna have her new single produced by Sika Rhyme. And the video is coming out as well. So you know should sit back, have a cup of tea. You can't be everybody cup of tea. Cause me is not a because me know why you feel like say. Me look like me bothered. Me have new song. Me no care when I'm a song me I promote. Go and go tell your cousins to come and watch the crazy queen. A chip and queen in the deck me. Me say see you Sika Rhyme. Sika Rhyme I will tell you to forgive me that song there. Jesus. Me say. I don't know say anything what to do with me turn me the fuck on. You think me wait for nobody to turn me on? Me not wait for nobody for praise. If I'm alone for I put my come like a Grammy that song there I get. Remember me telling you. Me and Popcaan I got in at the line. Popcaan I got up on the left. Me I got up on the right. And I got stop my breath I go some. Me now call team coming. I want him run me like the last time. I wonder if me I get the Grammy right him. Can you do it again? Listen, you know when I get the Grammy, yeah? Them give you all the come something. So when you get it now, I know, and the host I got up there, never got open it. So me and Popcaan stand up there, you know, and the throw it out, I go, throw it out, I go, boom, 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 because we don't know who I go with it. I don't know. And them come up with a white envelope and then said, Queen Lady Gangster, you've been nominated for Grammy Award. That's your dream. Popcaan, you've been nominated for Grammy. And then them and the envelope now. So see the host now, I got take it from now and then I go open it. You know me eat that. It's so stupid. Everybody I had to beat today was the camera light. Everybody in the back. I wonder if I Queenie. I wonder if I Popcaan. Ear Popcaan. I wonder if I see I get it. Hear me. I wonder if I So look now. So this look.